Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Light yellow color, brown color, blue, dark blue color, pink color, light blue color, orange color, red color. Let's start. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. A B C D E F G H I J K L. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.